Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Mathematics. In this video lecture, we are going to know about the logical connective biconditional. So what is this biconditional? That is the symbol that is P and Q. If these are the two propositions, then biconditional can be written in this way. And what does it mean? It means that P implies Q and Q implies P. That means simultaneously both are happening. P implies Q and Q implies P. Both should be there. Then it will biconditional. So if we do with an example, then we can say if you work hard, then you succeed. If you work hard, then you succeed. And if you succeed, then you work hard. When both those statements occur simultaneously at the same time, then we can say it is the biconditional. So when both are occur simultaneously, we can write instead of these two that you succeed if and only if you work hard. You succeed if and only if you work hard. So that if you succeed, then you work hard. And if you work hard, then definitely you succeed. So this one is the biconditional statement. So in terms of truth table, let us find out what is biconditional. So first of all, P and Q are the two logical connectives, and it P implies Q, that we know it is true, false, true, true. And if it is Q implies P, then its truth values are true, true, false, true. Now, as it is the biconditional means both should be there. So, this one and this one. So, we should connect both of these two by the AND operator, so that we can find out here these two, if we connecting with the AND operator, then that one true and that one true. So, it is true. False true means false, true false means false, and it is true true means true. And we know as it is the biconditional, then when both are true, then it is true. When both are false, then it is false. That is the outcome or the truth value for the biconditional. So for the biconditional, true, false, false, true is the outcome if this one is the input. So that here we shall find out that these two are the same. So we can write the biconditional in this way, and simultaneously with the help of the conditional also. P implies Q and Q implies P, so that both the results are same. Not only that, the biconditional also can be expressed in terms of P or Q implies P and Q. So let us see. Here P and Q are the two propositions. So this is its biconditional operator. That means true, false, false, true if these are the propositions. Now P or Q means all true, only the when both are false, then it is false. And P and Q, here it is only both are true, then it is true, otherwise it is false. So if we just combine them by the conditional operator, then what we should write here? True, true means it is true, then first true, then false means it is false. Again true, then false means it is false, and false, false, then it is true. So this one is the truth value for that expression, and this one is exactly identical with this P implies biconditional Q. So that these two are again the equivalent. So in terms of the basic logical connectives also, we can express this biconditional. So we can express the biconditional in terms of this one and this one. That means biconditional in terms of conditional we can express. Now in terms of the basic logical connectives also, we can express this biconditional. So how to do this one? So P implies and implies by Q, that is equivalent to not P or Q and not Q or P. Otherwise it is P and Q or not P and not Q. So you can verify both those expression, and this is your do by yourself thing. You just write down these two expressions and verify that these two, that means this biconditional statements are equivalent to those two expressions or not. Definitely you shall find out that these two are the equivalent statements. So in terms of this basic logical connectives, here look, neither, that means not, and or. These are the three basic logical connectives, and these three only used to express this biconditional statement. So in this way we can express the biconditional, and in terms of the various basic logic, basic connectives also we can express. And what is the use of to express one expression in various forms? For that I can say that if you want to design a circuit, then in various ways, in various formats you can design the things. That means your output is same but your designing are different. For that time you require these various connections and various expression for a given expression. Anyways, now we shall find out the negation of biconditional statement. So negation of biconditional statement is not of this biconditional, not P implies and implies by Q. So that one is equivalent to not P implies and implies by Q. Otherwise it is equivalent to P implies and implies by not Q. So let us verify this one with the truth table again. So here the P and Q are given and not P and not Q are their negation. So if it is P implies and implies by Q, then this is the output, and if it is not P implies and implies by Q, then what should be the output? Not P is this one, Q is this one. So when both are true, then only true, both are false, then only true. So here true false, so it is definitely false. False false means it should be true, then true true, again it is true, and false true, then it is false. So that now if we take the P implies and implies by not Q, so P is this one and not Q is this one. So if we compare among these two, then it is true and false, so it is false. True and true, so it is true. Then false and false, so it is true, and false and true, so it is false. So you just observe this one and this one, these last two are same. Not only that, this P implies and implies by Q, if we take the negation of this one, then what we shall find out? It is false, then true, and then false, and this one is nothing but that time same as these two. So that from here we can conclude that that means negation of the biconditional statement is equivalent to these two expressions. Okay, so one more thing, I am giving you the one question you should do by yourself at home, and if possible give me the result in the comment box. So here the P and Q are the two propositions or two statements. On that light you should prove that not P or P implies and implies by Q, that entire expression is equivalent to P implies Q. Okay, so this one you are validating, that means you should validate this statement, it is true or false, its answer you should write in the comment box. So thank you all, have a nice day.